So a super quick update for you guys on this trade war. So I'm sure many of you guys have already noticed out of nowhere, the markets began to skyrocket. We have QQQ going from, I think it was green on the day, but now it's up 9.5%. I think this is single-handedly one of the biggest green days that I've seen for the NASDAQ market in just a very short period of time. On top of that, the thing that really is confusing me, and again, I don't want to get it twisted, right? Markets are rising, and supposedly everyone is talking about this pause. So it was this message that Trump announced. It's based on the lack of respect that China has shown the world markets. I am hereby raising tariffs charged to China by the United States of America to 125%. And then pretty much with that being said, he talks about how with the 75 countries that have called representatives of the United States, including the Department of Commerce, Treasury, and USTR, to negotiate a solution, are subject and being discussed with tariffs. And pretty much, I have authorized a 90-day pause and subsequently lowered reciprocal tariffs during this period of 10%, also effective immediately. This is the part that I don't understand, and maybe it's just me. Everyone is highlighting the title, Trump has paused tariffs. But that's not the case. If you read the word for word, I have authorized a 90-day pause and subsequent substantially lowered reciprocal tariffs during this period of 10%. Tariffs are still 10% for every country that had a 10% tariff. So there is no change there. And then on top of that, China, who is one of the biggest countries that we import from, our tariffs for them have increased to 125%. Now, don't get me wrong. Some form of negotiation, obviously that could cause markets to skyrocket, but I do not understand how this is that Trump is pausing tariffs. Like, they're still 10%. They were 10% before, now they're 10%. Maybe some countries were at like 30 or 40% and now they're down to 10%, but nonetheless, they're still 10%. There is no pause. Am I reading this correctly? I have authorized a 90-day pause and substantially lowered reciprocal tariffs during this period of 10%, also effective immediately. Am I not reading this correctly? And substantially lowered reciprocal tariffs during this period of 10%. So tariffs are still 10%, also effective immediately. So there is no pause. And then on top of that, we slap China with 125% effective immediately. Yet markets are skyrocketing. Now, again, if tariffs were fully paused and all we are focused on is China, that would be a different story. But maybe I am misunderstanding this. But it's, to my understanding, and the way that everyone else was wording it as well, is that a 90-day pause and lowered 10% reciprocal tariffs for other countries, effective immediately. So, still 10%. That's the part that I don't understand. We were at 10% before. So what was paused? And then we increased it for China, and China is one of our biggest imports to 125%. Man, maybe it's just me, but markets with a huge push. Now, again, it obviously makes sense to go long. It made sense as markets are pushing higher that markets are bullish. Markets were eager for them to recover. Obviously, it shows they're nearly at 10% for the day. Maybe it's just me, but I do not understand how markets are pushing when this pause is not really a pause. It's a 125% increase tariffs for China and a 10% flat for everyone else. Is that the pause that they're talking about? But it's still 10%. It's not a pause. Man, maybe it's just me. But I'm going to take a little bit more time, try to figure this out myself, and then see, maybe I did misread it. But I don't understand how this is just, it's progress kind of on the tariff side for, I guess, all the other countries, not so much China. But other than that, not really much progress at all because it's still 10%. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. I just wanted you to understand why markets were pushing. This is why. Obviously, it's good news if it is a pause. To my understanding, it's not a pause. It's still 10% flat for all the other countries, and 125% for China. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. I hope that entered a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, team.